Hi and welcome back to the channel. I'm in sunny Blackpool and for a change the sun is out. It's just around about 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm feeling a little bit peckish, so I asked around for the most recommended cafe here in Blackpool. I fancy fish and chips, so I asked for the most recommended one. Several people have guided me towards this cafe called the Yorkshire Fisheries. So join me. I'm going to go in and I think I'm going to have a traditional fish, chips, mushy peas, bread and butter and a pot of tea. So let's go in. The Yorkshire Fisheries. It's on the corner of Topping Street, or on Topping Street itself, here in Blackpool, by North Pier, a little bit further up by the train station. So in we go. To find the Yorkshire Fisheries, it's not far from Blackpool North train station. In fact, it's about 5 minutes away from the train station on Topping Street. Go a little bit further along, you'll come to an Iceland and it's on the next block. So you're looking out for the Yorkshire Fisheries. I like the way the menu cover showing Topping Street 100 years ago. And in this corner you can see the original fish and chip saloon, it was called then. So it's stood here for over 100 years. It's a nice little touch to the menu. So let's see what they do have on the menu. Well, what I'm ordering is tasty cod with chips with the side, a choice of brown and white bread and a cup of tea or coffee for £14. You can get it in a king size, you can up it to a king size. There is a menu for under 12s, which is your fish, nuggets, burgers, chips, fish fingers. And if you don't fancy the traditional fish and chips, you can always go for the roast chicken, home baked pies, steak, cheese and onion. There are Hollands pies, pucker pies, sausages, burgers, scampi, fish cakes. So quite a bit on the menu. Just looking on the back of the menu is all the awards that the restaurant has received. We are very proud to have received the following achievements: the Creditable Taste of Lancashire Award, the regional winners 2018, 2022 Food Award, Best Fish and Chips Establishment, TripAdvisor Certificate of Excellence for 2011, Traveller's Choice 2020, 21 and 22. We are ranked the #1 fish and chip restaurant in Blackpool. Alright, I've asked for a black coffee. I don't take milk. They brought the milk with it, but I don't take milk, so I'm having a black coffee. Brown bread with butter. When I first turned up, I noticed there was 2 doors. The first door leads you into the restaurant, and even though it's the same premises, the other door is the fish and chip shop. So you can be served straight off the street, or you can come into the restaurant and sit down and have a meal. Now, when I ordered the fish, I was actually asked what way I would like the batter, which is the first time that's ever happened. Did I want it lightly battered, or did I want it crispy? So I've gone for the crispy batter. Now, as I said, this restaurant was recommended to me. I called it a cafe, but it's classed as a restaurant. It was recommended to me about this time last year, but I never got the chance to actually fit it in. But today I was determined. I'm only here for the one day, and I was determined to fit it in today. Recommended by so many people. Oh, here comes the meal. Well, there you go. Crispy batter cod, chunky chips, and mushy peas. Right, but the main thing is I'm checking out the cod. I see how flaky the cod is. I'm just cutting into the cod. Check out how flaky. Look at that. Hope you can see that on the camera. Let's taste the batter first. Probably can't hear that on. You might be able to hear it on camera. I'm not 100% certain. But the batter, nice and crispy batter. Well, let's try this out. Cod has just fallen to pieces. It is just falling to pieces totally. Yeah, thanks now. I'm trying to show you this without it falling. Look at the flakes of cod. Batter is crispy, done perfectly, and as I said, the cod is just falling to pieces. It's fallen off the fork. Right, I'm going to enjoy this. Come back to you in a minute. Well, unfortunately, I did my best, as you can see. There's not a lot left on the plate, but unfortunately, I had to give the bread and butter a miss. I'm glad I didn't go for the king size, because there's no way I could have ate it all. Absolutely lovely. As I said, the cod was flaky, chips were done just perfect, and the batter on the fish, crispy. As I said, I hope you could hear the crunch on the microphone when I put it into my mouth. Done perfectly. Crunchy batter, flaky fish, and the chips were done perfect. I did my best, I ate what I could, but unfortunately the bread and butter had to go amiss. A lot of people have just left, so I just took the quick opportunity to take a quick shot of the restaurant itself to show you how big it is. Right, I did say at the beginning of the video I was going to go for the traditional pot of tea, but I changed my mind and I just had a black coffee. So, crispy cod, chips, mushy peas, bread and butter, and a coffee, £14. You can up it for a few pound more to a king size, but that was plenty for me. Verdict? What did I think of it? Beautiful, lovely. I'm full, totally full. Would I come back again? Yes. Would I recommend it? Yes. The restaurant itself looks spotless. Staff are going around cleaning constantly. So, oh, just getting the bill. Here we go. I don't know, why did they call it bill? Staff are going around cleaning constantly. The place looks spotless. And so many awards it's been given. So as I said, I've just got the bill. So I'll show you it for what I had. There you go, £14. I would recommend it if I'm back in Blackpool again ever. I will look out for the Yorkshire Fisheries. If you are in Blackpool and you are floating around, you look for something to eat, look for Topping Street. It's directly opposite a pub on the corner called the Washington. So you're looking for the Yorkshire Fisheries. Say hello to Maria. She's the manager, and she's looked after me while I've been here as well. The staff are really nice, and it's nice to see on the wall that the proprietors that have had this since 1907, so it's over 100 years. The names are listed on the wall. So that brings me to a close. I would recommend it. Pop into the Yorkshire Fisheries if you're ever in Blackpool. So from me, Paul, at Who Knows Where, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and more important, please subscribe to the channel. It does help it grow. And leave a comment down below. Have you been to Blackpool? Have you been to the Yorkshire Fisheries? What did you think? Let me know. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. For friendliness, for the taste, and for cleanliness. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.